Greetings and a warm welcome to Money Maximized. In today's discussion, we'll be delving into 14 ways to cut expenses for more strategic budgeting. Stay tuned for valuable tips on frugal living. This frequently used theme encompasses a range of videos and articles providing guidance on frugal living and ways to sidestep typical spending habits that can impede financial growth. Within this category, you'll discover discussions on the following key topics. Impulse purchases. Poor financial decisions are often rooted in impulsive spending. Impulse buying can lead to unnecessary expenses. Excessive eating out. Frequent dining at restaurants or ordering takeout can quickly add up and strain your budget. Brand names. Paying a premium for brand name products when generic alternatives are available is a common money-wasting habit. Unused gym memberships. Subscribing to gym memberships that are rarely used is a waste of money. Canceling or finding a more cost-effective fitness solution is advised. Late fees. Consistently paying bills late can result in late fees, which are essentially penalties for poor financial management. High-interest debt. Accumulating high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, is a common financial mistake. The interest payments can be significant. Unused subscriptions. Subscribing to streaming services, magazines, or other subscriptions that aren't actively used can lead to wasted money. Excessive alcohol and tobacco. Overconsumption of alcohol or tobacco products can be costly and detrimental to your health. Unplanned vacations. Booking expensive vacations without a budget can lead to financial stress. Frequent upgrades. Consistently upgrading to the latest gadgets or vehicles can strain your finances. Lottery tickets. Spending money on lottery tickets with low odds of winning is often seen as a waste of money. Overpriced coffee. Frequent visits to coffee shops for specialty coffee can add up quickly. Unused memberships. Subscriptions to clubs, associations, or services that aren't actively used are a waste of resources. Shopping for entertainment. Shopping as a form of entertainment or stress relief can lead to unnecessary purchases. The key message in discussions like these is to encourage mindful spending and making informed financial decisions. It's essential to prioritize spending on needs over wants, create a budget, and develop good financial habits to achieve financial stability and success. Appreciate your viewership. If you found this content valuable, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and hit the subscribe button for more updates.